Got it here, OTF knives under $50. First of all, we'll start with this one. Got filter bronze, so this is more like of a ice pick, OTF ice pick. Looks like a pen, and you see there's a little pick in there. How does it work? I have no idea. Okay, there you go, there's a ball comes out. That's cool. So I guess the safety just close it off. And yeah, pretty cool. Wiggly, but it is just an ice pick to break up the ice. So cool bartending tool, I guess. Oh yeah, to close it you probably need something. How about that cheap knife? There you go. And safety, all you have to do is just spin it. That is pretty unique. I never seen anything like that. Did you guys know there's ice picks like this? I don't know how durable they are, but there you go. Again, to close it. What happens if we hit it? You see it automatically stops. Yep. So yeah, very unique. Boom. Next, we have right here Smith & Wesson knife. Alright, let's see what we got here. Beautiful. Good looking OTF knife. What is that in the front over there? Okay, there's a window breaker. Yeah, it's gonna take me a minute to figure it out. There's definitely on safety right now. Okay, for this knife I need a little instructions over here. No instructions. Okay, I guess deployment. Okay, you know what? There's a safety back here. Does it say that? Yes, see. Safety lock. Okay, you don't see it, it's so small. Hard to pull it. Oh my gosh, there's a little cup just flew away. And to reset it, I guess you just pull it all the way back. That is quite funky knife a little. Okay, how do we close it? Oh, okay, you just press it and close it. Wow, that's quite a complicated OTF knife over here. So this is the closing mechanism. There's the safety. So Smith & Wesson, way in the back. Now look at that. Definitely not balanced knife. That's so bad. It's like so off. But yeah, to close it off, you see you cannot just press it and close it like Microtex and such. You press this, then you see you can pull it all the way back. Then there is a safety, a really tight safety. So we're gonna press this, open it, and then reset it. Yeah, this is why it's just $50, because it's not just in and out. Okay, next we got here mini Condor Red. Wow, wow, that is really is a cheaply made OTF right here. Okay, obviously it's gonna come off from this side. You could even hear the springs, the way it fly out, ejects, is so like cheap. But yeah, tiny little thing right here. I mean, guys, you'd have to pay. This is under 50 bucks. You get what you pay for. This button is really slippery and uncomfortable. So there you go. This is a tool brand. They make a lot of tools. They stuffed it in that plastic bag. Look at that. There you go. Okay, you got it here, 3 little buttons, couple of screws. It tells you which blade is going to come out. This thing is weird. So first of all, safety works. You have to pull this back. This is not smooth at all. Ow, that's hurting my finger. Look at that. That's not fun. Also, keep your fingers away from here. Oh wow, now this button is loose. You get what you pay for. Is that how you say it? Boom. Not smooth at all. So yeah, then there's a safety. Tight. Okay. And if you have a finger right here, it's going to kind of stop it. You see it? And so also inconvenient. I don't like having a thing over here. So yeah, plays out good. There's more information about it, and it's just annoying that it's so wiggly right here. When I'm holding a knife, it's not good. No playroom, maybe a little bit, okay. And again, it's so annoying. Yeah, this is why these OTF knives are only 50 bucks and such. Okay, I have one more over here, neon green dagger, AKC, I think that's the brand. These things are so lame. Yeah, I see why people love the Microtex and such, the more expensive brands, because this is my first time getting cheap OTFs. First of all, this is like a sandpaper. I mean, it's kind of good, but might get stuck in a pocket. Okay, that one is kind of cute. I like that one. Out of all of them, I would say this is the best one, because you just have regular in and out, a little bit of a blade wiggle, but that's nature of a knives. It's kind of cool that this like little stick looks like it's going to tilt. So really nice design. Under 50 bucks. Boom. Feels solid. This one is honestly the best out of all of them. I really like that. Well, this, and I really like the icebreaker ice pick. Except to close it, you need to pretty much put it into the table and lock it. That's it. So yeah, let me know in comments below, what do you think? There's some unique designs for sure. Oh my gosh, this is stayed up. $5 should be, that's it. But anyways, let me know in comments below, what do you think? Do you like cheaper OTFs or more expensive? I mean, this one is kind of cool, but still, it's not gonna beat Microtex or anything like that. But yeah, fun little tool over here for sure.